We are making crepes, guava and cream cheese stuffed crepes with a tropical fruit salsa. Next on Taste of Caribe Royale. I'm whipping up these crepes in one of our 2-bedroom villas, which includes a fully equipped kitchen where you too can unleash your inner chef. The base for a crepe only calls for just a few ingredients: milk, flour, eggs, sugar, our clarified butter, and then just a little flavoring, which in this case happens to be an orange liqueur. We're gonna add our milk to our pot. We don't wanna bring this to a boil. We just wanna warm it slightly for our batter. Now while we're waiting on that, we're gonna go ahead and add our flour to our mixing bowl, our sugar, give that a little whisk, create a little bit of a well here in the middle. We're gonna add our eggs right in the middle of that well. I'm gonna start whisking just slightly in the middle and then kind of working our way out. Let's go ahead and add our orange liqueur. Now you might notice this is getting a little bit thick, but that's okay, because we have that milk which we're gonna add to it, and it's gonna make a nice smooth batter for us. Last, let's add in that butter. I'm gonna just do a slow drizzle here, just to incorporate it into our final mix. Now we need to let this rest overnight. That'll help get rid of those air bubbles that formed when we mixed it. With the magic of video, we have a nice chilled batter ready to go for us. You wanna set your temperature of your stove to about medium high. You can use a non-stick skillet. That's gonna help this batter to get nice and thin and not stick to the pan. And we're gonna quickly go around to make a really thin shell. Now this will cook quickly, so you don't want to walk away from your pan once you're doing that. Using a rubber spatula, so I'm going to just grab the edge of my crepe, flip it right over. For the crepe filling, I'm using whipped cream cheese and guava paste that you can find at your local grocery store. We're going to spread our whipped cream cheese on the bottom of our crepe shell, and then we're going to cut slices of our guava paste and place that on top of the cream cheese. Then fold it like a burrito. Salsa time, we're gonna add a tropical flair to this with papaya, mango, and pineapple. Dice it up nice and small, and add a hint of mint. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Last, let's sear our crepes. Guava is gonna give you kind of a jam-like consistency once it's been heated, and then the cream cheese is gonna be really nice and ooey gooey. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then we're gonna add our nice sauce that we made, give it a nice little flair. Now look at that. Now I'm ready to eat. For more tasty desserts, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out at CaribeRoyaleOrlando.com. You can get this recipe and explore all that we have to offer for your next vacation. See you next time on Taste of Caribe Royale.